to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. My name is Caress Roach and I work on campus within Student Wellness. Student Wellness is one of 4 offices dedicated to supporting your health and well-being while here. Student Wellness, Campus Health, Counseling and Psychological Services, and Campus Rec make up this collaborative known as Healthy Hills. For the purposes of this presentation, we're going to be talking specifically around student wellness, CAPS, and campus health.
People define wellness in a lot of ways. Student wellness uses 8 dimensions to help define this complicated concept. They are environmental, emotional, physical, financial, career, social, spiritual, and intellectual wellness. Ultimately, wellness is being able to create and have harmony with all of these dimensions. And Healthy Heals can help you do it. We want you to be successful at UNC, and we are here to support you in staying well.
Wellness's role in Healthy Hills is to educate, support, advocate, and promote Carolina students' overall well-being. We do this by offering one-on-one appointments for general wellness coaching, building coping and resilience capacity, sexual health education, and navigating choices regarding future possible alcohol or drug use. Related to our programs, we also offer sexual health supplies, other promotional goodies, relationship education, various types of support groups, and several ways to get involved with health and well-being initiatives across campus. Our research-informed programs for individuals and groups support self-reflection and self-care skill development, helping students reflect on their own values and boundaries and how those may impact the greater community. As the primary health promotion office on campus, we are also working for system-level changes to help make the healthiest choices the easiest choices for you. So look for us out on campus and on our @UNC Healthy Hills social media platforms.
UNC values both community with fellow Tar Heels and individual responsibility in creating an inclusive and healthy culture. We want you to be the most authentic version of yourself and understand that can only happen in an inclusive and respectful community. Participating in this community of care means that you first and foremost take care of yourself. Some of the ways to do that is through the 8 dimensions of wellness we discussed earlier, but can also include specific things like identifying your values, setting healthy boundaries, understanding your communication style, and being aware of and pushing back on personal biases.
Understanding yourself and your contributions to a community of care takes time, and we work with you to get to know yourself better and to build confidence in your values and abilities. Ultimately, we want to help you transition to a path of being an active bystander. An active bystander in our community is someone who looks out for each other should you see someone acting in a way that's not respectful to their peers. We teach Tar Heels to positively intervene in potentially harmful situations. And by doing this, we are all contributing to making the Carolina community a place where we look out for each other. And you can do this by following the One-Act Bystander model, which is observe, assess, ACT, which is an acronym that stands for ask for help, create a distraction, or talk directly. And the last step of that model is to follow up. We know all incoming students want to make a difference and have a positive impact during their time at Carolina. And we want to ensure that your next 4 years and your journey at Carolina will be one of success, growth, and resilience. We're excited to see how you will positively contribute to Carolina, and we want to work with you to help you make your mark on campus.
Campus Health and CAPS are places to go when you're not feeling well, both physically and emotionally. Both services are located within the same building.
Campus Health is part of Healthy Hills that offers everything that you'd expect at a comprehensive healthcare facility. Not only would they be able to help you if you had a sore throat or fever, let's say, but they do so much more. You can also go there for same-day care, which is similar to an urgent care. There's 2 pharmacies on campus, one within Campus Health Services, but also located within our student stores. There's sports medicine providers that serve all students as well as our intercollegiate athletes. We have nutrition services, acupuncture, there's an allergy clinic for all your allergic needs. Then there's an x-ray, gynecology services, and we also have an international travel clinic if you so choose to study abroad while at Carolina.
Hi everyone, I'm Kim Pittman, Executive Director of Campus Health, and welcome to Carolina. So you've heard about all of the services covered under your health fee. But let's say your provider orders a lab test, or an x-ray, or they write you a prescription for a medication. They do an in-office procedure like stitches or wart removal, or an IUD insertion. Or you have a specialty visit like psychiatry or orthopedics or physical therapy. In those instances, we're going to bill your insurance just like any other urgent care center or physician practice or hospital, and we're in network with over 90% of the health insurances that our students at Carolina have. So speaking of insurance, all students at one of the 17 UNC System campuses are required to have health insurance as a condition of enrollment. So you'll need to do one of 2 things. You either have to prove that you're under your parents' health insurance or you purchased a policy on your own, or you have to enroll in the UNC System Student Health Insurance Plan. Each semester you must go on the Blue Cross Blue Shield portal and either waive out showing that you already have insurance or enroll in the Student Health Insurance Plan. And regardless of what kind of insurance you have, take a photo on your phone of the front and back of both your insurance card and your prescription card so you'll have that available when you come to your appointments at Campus Health. Again, welcome to Carolina, and we're happy that you're a Tar Heel.
You've already paid for access to these services and tuition and fees. Don't let that money that you've already paid go to waste. Make sure that CAPS, Campus Health, and Student Wellness are your first stops if you're sick, injured, or want to learn how to keep yourself well while you're here at UNC. Counseling and Psychological Services, lovingly known as CAPS, is the part of Healthy Hills that supports your mental health needs on campus.
CAPS has a diverse and welcoming staff, and they offer a robust lineup of therapeutic groups each semester: individual and couples therapy, initial and crisis assessment, psychotropic medication management, and consult with campus on mental health needs.
There is no visit limit for CAPS, but they do provide brief, problem-focused therapy. Most folks usually resolve their needs within 4 to 5 visits, while some may go more than that. About a quarter of folks who initiate mental health services at CAPS will need to be referred to the community for more long-term, ongoing services, and CAPS has the staff to assist with that process.
Students come into CAPS with a wide variety of concerns. Anything ranging from relationship issues to mild anxiety, feelings of depression, or even extreme feelings of distress. There's really no issue that's too big or too small, so we really do encourage you to utilize these services. Our data shows that 70% of students use Campus Health, CAPS, and Student Wellness at least one time per year. And we also know that over half of the students utilize our services 3 or more times per year, and we really hope that you do too. So here's how you can. Please pull out your phone and follow us on any social media of your liking. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WordPress, and YouTube. We post regularly with health and well-being content to help you stay successful at UNC. We know this video presentation doesn't allow room for questions, which you probably have lots of. Well, we have questions too, so while your phones are out, please follow this QR code or input this URL to fill out this small survey, and then also you can leave some questions.
Welcome to Carolina and stay healthy, Tar Heels.
Welcome to Carolina and stay healthy, Tar Heels.